The International Monetary Fund forecasts negative growth for all regions of the world for the first time in the forecast history, further reducing expectations for the global economy in 2020 and 2021. The IMF released an update on Wednesday that the World Economic Outlook predicted the contraction of the global economy by 20% in 2020 and foresees a downward correction of the 3% contraction forecast in April. A minus 4.9% pressure on global output is now the worst in WEO history. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a more negative impact on activity in the first half of 2020 than anticipated, and the recovery is projected to be more gradual than previously forecast, the IMF report reads. The International Monetary Fund said consumption and services dropped beyond expectations and described the hit to the global labor market as catastrophic. The report predicts the United States to grow by minus 8% in 2020. However, the IMF noted that positive economic data, such as surprising business gains in May, signaled the possibility of pitting the activity in April. The IMF expects the United States economy to recover 4.5% from the previous year's projection of 4.7% in April 2021 compared to the previous year. The IMF predicts a 5.4% global recovery in 2021, which assumes constant social withdrawal and scarring from low social efficiency due to the shift of resources towards workplace safety and hygiene. The report warned that the estimates faced a series of uncertainties about the spread of the virus, persuading countries to prioritize broad resources for healthcare system and then prioritize economic support through large, well-targeted fiscal policies. In general, the IMF applauded central banks, such as the central bank, for their fast movements to provide liquidity in financial markets and keep borrowing costs low. However, the IMF warned that monetary policy makers will not be able to get out of the forest yet, and pointed out the possibility of tightening financial conditions in the future. Most of the idea, comment, information, and criticism containing in these videos have been created by Daily News Report. Before making any important investment decision, use the information contained in these videos as a starting point for conducting your own research. If you make any investment or legal decision, it is advised to consult an expert before making this decision.